Welcome to this workout for a slimmer waist. We are starting off with a quick warm-up of side plank pulls to get your waist nice and warm. Go ahead and switch to the other side as quickly as you can and do the same thing. For our first exercise today, we're going to do a plank with side twist. You are in an elbow plank position, your core is tight, and you're just twisting from side to side. Let's do it. Good. Really make sure your core is tight. Do your best to control this movement. You might struggle if you have a big booty, but it's important to try to control this motion as best you can. Good job. Just a few more seconds. Awesome. One exercise down, 4 more to go. Next up, we have plank with knee pull. You're in a full plank position and you are pulling your knee toward your elbow. Good. Make sure that core is nice and tight. Also, make sure your booty is not sagging down or hiking up. It is a straight line from your shoulders down to your heel. Good. You're doing good. Just a few more seconds. Perfect work. Next up, we have plank jacks. You are in the elbow plank position and you are just jumping your legs in and out. Again, your core is tight the whole time. This is a great exercise for slimming your waist and strengthening that core area. Let's do it together. Keep going. You're doing good. If you need to pause, it's fine to take a quick break, but just get back into it and let's finish strong. You can do it. You can do it. Just keep going. Almost there. Keep going. Perfect. You made it. You made it. Next up, we have a raised leg crunch. This is great for targeting the lower ab area. Your leg is up at a 90-degree angle and you are just crunching up, keeping your neck as relaxed as you can. Also, really try to keep your lower back on the floor so that you protect your back. This exercise really works your lower abs. Regular crunches work your upper abs, which is good, but we really want to target that lower ab area. So let's do this one. Let's not skip this one. Good. Just a few more. You're almost at the end. Awesome. Yes. All right. Next up, we have bicycles. You're still going to keep that lower back on the mat and you're just going to try to touch your opposite knee to your opposite elbow, keeping your core tight the whole time. After this, we have one more exercise and you get a break. So let's do it together. Good. Really keep your core tight and keep that lower back on the mat. Perfect. Next up, we have stomach vacuums. If you've never done this before, I recommend skipping it and just listening and watching to learn how to do this. You're going to take a deep breath in, raising your ribcage up as you take that deep breath in. Then you're going to breathe out to exhale and remove all the air from your lungs. Then you're going to pull your stomach in just like you see me do. And you're going to really engage your lower ab muscles as you suck your belly in. And then you're going to take quick breaths but hold that muscle in that contracted position for as long as you can. If you find that the shallow breaths are not enough for you, take a proper breath and just start over. This is a more advanced move, so this is more for experienced people, but that's how to do a stomach vacuum, and we're going to do it again after the break. So take a break, drink some water, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. It's free for you, and it means so much to me. When we come back from the break, we're going to do stomach vacuums again the way I just explained it. Welcome back. We are going straight into those stomach vacuums again. You're going to take a deep breath in, raising your rib cage. Take a deep breath, a huge breath out to empty out your lungs. Suck your belly in, really focusing on those lower ab muscles, and then take shallow breaths throughout the movement to the best of your ability. If you need to unloose yourself and start all over, it's totally fine. This is a more advanced move, and if it's just frustrating for you, don't even bother doing it. But if you can do it, it is very effective. So listen to your body, take your time with this, and let's vacuum our stomachs. All right, next up, we're going back to those bicycles. Core is tight, lower back is on the mat. You are touching your opposite knee to your opposite elbow, and you are looking forward to the end of this workout, and we are almost there. Let's do it together. Go at your own pace, and if you need a break, you can just take a quick break and then get right back into it. You got this. You are doing good. Halfway there. Keep going. Good job. All right, so next up we have the raised leg crunches. Your legs are up at a 90-degree angle. Your lower back is on the mat. Your neck is as relaxed as you can keep it, and you are using your lower ab muscles to crunch up. Are you ready? Let's do it. Remember why you started. It's so worth it, and you're almost at the end, so just keep going. You got this. Next up, we have plank jacks. Your core is tight. You are in that elbow plank position. Your booty is not hiking up or sagging down, and you are jumping from side to side. Let's do it together. A good guideline is to try to jump wider than your mat if you're using a mat. But just do your best. Just do your best. If you lose coordination, it's all good. Just keep going. You're moving. That's the most important thing. Almost at the end. You're doing so good. Just 2 more exercises. All right, we're going to do the plank with knee pull. You're in the full plank position. Your core is tight. You're pulling your knee toward your elbow, and you're doing this in a controlled motion. You got it? Okay, let's do it together. Just power through. Just power through. You got this. This is, after this, just 1 more and we're done. Can you believe it? Almost at the end. I can finally see now. I see the fear inside your eyes. Perfect. Last exercise. plank with twist. You're in the elbow plank position and your core is tight and you're just twisting from one side to the next. So good for the waist. Keep that core tight. Good. You look good. You look good already. Getting snatched. Uh-huh. Just a few more seconds. Hang in there. Don't stop at the very end. You can do this. Just a few more seconds. Yes, you did it. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in my next workout video.